The central dogma of life constitutes three main points: DNA replication, transcription, and translation. And what's important to remember is that this dogma revolves around the presence of DNA. It revolves around the presence of having a genome, because without DNA, these 3 points would not be able to occur. We would not see DNA replication or transcription or translation without DNA. So the central dogma of life revolves around DNA. What's important to note is that this is a forward process. We are going from DNA to mRNA, and we are forming proteins. This process does not move in the reverse direction, but in some special cases, we may see RNA to DNA. Where do we see this happen? We see this happen in the HIV reverse transcriptase. This is an enzyme that is able to go from the RNA to the DNA and reverse transcribe. But in regards to the central dogma of life, it is a forward process and involves replication, transcription, translation. Transcription is the part where we are going from DNA to RNA, and translation is the part where we are translating that DNA that we got, that the RNA has brought out to make the protein. So making the protein part, translation. And that is the central dogma of life. It's super straightforward and simple. It's essentially stating that that everything revolves around DNA. Without DNA, we would not have these three processes occur.